What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. All right, guys, as you guys can see in the title, today I got a little issue with my computer. I always got some issue with my computer, and when I fix them, I try to show how I fix them. Now, guys, I'm gonna give you a little bit of information, so I want you to bear with me. Now, guys, you see, one of my monitors wasn't displaying any image at all. My computer wasn't um, showing one of my monitor, so I go in Windows right here and I go in system, I go in display. Now this wasn't showing up. This that you see right here, it wasn't showing up. This display that you see right here, it wasn't showing up. It was only one monitor was showing up, and it was I think it was this one right here was showing up. I think this is my main monitor. This is my second monitor. Now I've tried a lot of things and it didn't work. Okay, I tried a lot of things and it didn't work. So this is two and this is one. I tried a lot of things and it didn't work. I go into um multiple display, and once you're in multiple display, make sure that everything right here is ticked on. Okay, if it's not ticked on, just tick them and leave that alone. Now I tried that, it didn't work. Okay. I go in here and find out which monitor was working, and this was the monitor that was working only. This monitor was the only monitor that was working. The other monitor did not work. Uh, it's my HP monitor wasn't showing any display. Okay, and I what I want you to guys to do before you do anything, plug out the HDMI card or the card the connectors that you connect to your computer. Plug them out, plug them back in. If that doesn't work, try changing your cables. Try changing the cables to see if there's a falter in the HDMI cable or any other cable that you have plugged in that you're getting display from. Now, I tried that, it didn't work. I take out my graphics card, um, it didn't work. Okay, what I did to make sure that the HDMI card was working, the second monitor that I got, I plugged the HDMI card in that and turned on my PC and it worked. So what I did now, I plugged back in the HDMI card in the first monitor and it didn't work because I have the second monitor on. Now it forced me to choose one of the monitor to display. And how do I fix it, guys? Now, if you go in search right here and go in device manager, okay, and you want to go in display adapter. Now you guys can see that I have my AMD graphics card right here. This is my AMD graphics card right here. What you want it to do is highlight it like that, click right click and click update. Once you click update, you do your automatic search automatically for drivers, and then if there's a driver you will install it. If does not, you click browse my computer for drivers, and then you will click choose drivers and choose the one that is the latest version. But choose this, it will do it. And this will always says your drivers are up to date. Now that didn't work for me. That didn't work for me. So what I did now, guys, I'm gonna show you what I did. And I go in my browser right here, and let me pull it up over here. I go in my browser and I type in uh, AMD utility on an AMD uninstall utility. Now once I click this AMD clean up utility right here, I clicked it like this, and then I will download the software that's gonna um, delete all drivers. Now you click right here to download the drivers. Once you click it, it will give you a prompt to restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, it will give you the options to tell you that what you're about to do is to delete all drivers. Now, once you delete all the drivers, it will tell you that you need to restart again. Once you restart again, it will carry back to right here. Now, once you restart, if you look down here, you won't see the driver right here. And if you right click, you won't see the driver because everything is uninstalled. Now, your computer is running with the graphics, but there's no drivers. So what I want you to do now, you're gonna reinstall back the driver. So what I did, I go in my browser and I type in AMD drivers and support. Once I click, what I wanna do is to click this one right here, drivers and support. You click this one right here, and you're going to do a automatically um download. So this Windows right here will automatically detect the drivers that is suitable for your device. Okay, for your computer. You're gonna click it, it's gonna download up here. Let me show you. It's gonna download up here, and you will get this right here. Now this is the driver that I install. Once you click it, it will automatically delete everything. So once you get this, you're gonna double click it like that, and you're gonna see something pop up like this. Then you're gonna click OK. And once you click OK, you're gonna ask you to click OK again to allow the app to install the drivers back again. Now I did it like this, and once you reach like this, it will give you the latest driver right here. Make sure this is ticked. You don't have to tick this, but it ticks automatically. Now you're gonna click right here, and it's gonna download this version of your graphics card. Now once you've done that, it will do the cycle of downloading the files and install it on your system, and then it's gonna ask you to reboot your device. Now once you reboot your device, you're gonna come back on, and you will hit with the page with the a welcome page. Okay, you're not gonna get it like this. You're gonna see the welcome page. Just press skip right down here, and it will carry you to right here. Now these are the games that I played on my system. Okay, and when I enter into this Windows right here, and I go into set the settings. What was that? Go back that again. Okay, so it pop up on the other monitor. Sorry about that. Now, once you click this right here, it will give you the display because the display wasn't working on the this window right here. Now, once you click display, you will see the two monitors. And once you see that, you automatically it's gonna switch because the settings are already there. And this is how I fix my um, computer not displaying the two monitors. Okay. Now I use this AMD cleanup utility. That's the app that I use. That's the file that I use to delete every file, every documents, every program that AMD has in it because it seemed like something was wrong with it. But this is how I fix it, and now I have my two monitors working, and I fixed it. I want to share it with you guys, and I hope you understand it. If you don't understand it, guys, please let me know in the comment section, and I will try my best to help you guys. But this my monitor wasn't working. It was working one at a time. It wasn't the two of them wasn't working at the same time. So I figured out that it was my graphics card was the problem. Not Windows, not the plug, not the HDMI card. It was the drivers on my graphics card. Is either the file was corrupted or I don't know. But I fixed it, and I thank you guys for watching this video. Guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And guys, I will see you in the next video.